You wanna know how to make a cool intro sequence? Stay with me.
Okay, first we choose where we want our intro to start and cut clip there. Then right click on the clip and click on the frame hold options. Select in point and click OK. Duplicate clip, hold Alt and drag for PC, and in top clip we gonna mask the subject. Under the effect control opacity we choose pen tool. Now I'm gonna mask myself. Then nest the clip, right click nest. I'm gonna call it cutout. Then under the effects we choose paint bucket. Change fill selection to transparency, stroke to stroke, blending mode to normal. And then you can play with stroke white. Here you can change color of stroke. Then I'll duplicate clip one more time and from here delete paint bucket effect. I'm gonna add text layer, write my last name, choose font and resize, then put it between two nested clips so I could animate the text. Keyframing position and scale, I will animate the text. And in bottom layer I'm gonna change color of background. In Lumetri color settings. And that's it.
And that will be all for this tutorial. If you're new here and want more videos like this, consider subscribing, sharing and like this video. So see you in next one.